Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline Marie and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. In today's video, we're going to decorate the kitchen for Valentine's Day. I cannot wait to show you all the cute things that I got to decorate the kitchen. So let's go ahead and get started. I already went to the basement and got the Valentine's decor bin. I'm going to sort out all the decor and then I'm going to show you the new decor that I got. I have been collecting all this decor for the last few years. I have bought them mostly at Walmart, Target, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Home Goods, the Dollar Tree store, and some of the towels are from IKEA. Most of the florals that I use for Valentine's are from Michael's. This year, I also did some shopping and I bought some Valentine's decor to decorate the kitchen. Recently, I did a shopping haul video and I'm going to link it in the description below so you can watch it also. Please comment below and let me know if you decorate for Valentine's Day. Although my kids are already grown up, I love decorating for Valentine's Day. I have a white kitchen and to decorate for Valentine's Day I'm going to use white, red, and a little bit of pink. These are all the decorative items that I'm going to use to decorate the kitchen and the breakfast nook. So now that you have seen all the decor, we're going to start decorating the kitchen for Valentine's Day. This morning, I have been running this essential oil diffuser with the aroma of orange and cinnamon, and the kitchen smells great. I bought this diffuser at Marshall's. I have a red electric mixer and it looks great when I'm decorating for Valentine's and also during Christmas time. I'm going to decorate the electric mixer with this beautiful Valentine's towel that my sister gave me as a Christmas gift. Now I'm going to add this very cute little house with a red door and hearts on the roof. This house is from Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby had everything 40% off when I went to buy all the Valentine's decor. To decorate around the stove area, I'm going to add this pizza peel board and another cutting board that says Live, Love, and Laugh. To complete the decor around the stove, I'm going to add this small heart-shaped stand that is from Hobby Lobby, and on top I'm going to add this sign that is from Walmart. Now we're going to decorate the other side of the stove. On this side, I'm going to add this beautiful scallop edge tray that I got at Home Goods. I'm absolutely in love with this tray. It looks so beautiful. And on top, I'm going to add the utensil canister that is also from Home Goods. To decorate the tin can that I have against the wall, I'm going to add these beautiful miniature roses that are from Michael's. To add some Valentine's touches, I'm going to add this beautiful ramekin in pink and red. These ramekins are from Home Goods. To complete the vignette, I'm going to add this very cute heart that is from Hobby Lobby. Moving along with the Valentine's decor, I'm going to try to make a bow of 2 kitchen towels. I saw this on a video, so let's see how it turned out. To make the kitchen bow, you need 2 towels. This towel is from IKEA. The other one is the one that my sister gave me as a Christmas gift. So I folded it that way, and now I'm going to use the other towel and fold it this way to create the bow. This is how the kitchen towel bow looks like. I think it looks adorable. Now I'm going to make another kitchen towel bow to wrap around the refrigerator door. I'm using this very cute towel that I bought in England when I went for the coronation of King Charles III. I'm going to also use this towel with miniature hearts that I got at Home Goods. I think the combination of the miniature hearts and the chip looks very cute. Now we're going to start decorating the kitchen island. I'm removing all the decor and I'm going to add this container that I got at Michael's, and this container was from the Christmas decor and it was already 70% off. I bought it for Valentine's because it has red and white and I think it will coordinate well with all the decor. I'm going to add some flowers that I got at Michael's a few years ago. To complete the decor, I'm going to add this heart that is from Michael's. On top of the tray, I'm going to add this mug that is from Home Goods. Last year, I bought these paper hearts at Michael's the day after Valentine's Day, and they were 70% off, so I'm going to hang it on the pantry door. To complete the kitchen decor, I'm going to hang this banner across the cabinets. I got this banner a few years ago at Amazon. Now let's take a look to see how the kitchen looks decorated for Valentine's Day. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I decorated the breakfast nook. My friends, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. You can also follow me on Instagram. If you have not subscribed yet, please take some time to subscribe and give a big thumbs up to this video. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and this is the Cranberry Trail Farmhouse. Have a fantastic week and happy Valentine's Day.